There's something I want to tell you. There's something I think that you should know. It's not that I shouldn't really love you. Let's take it slow. When we get to know each other, and we're both feeling much stronger, and let's try to talk it over. Let's wait a while longer. Let's wait a while before it's too late. Let's wait a while before we go too far. Remember this fiction night when all of the stars were shining bright. We made our first endeavor to stay together. We made our very first promise to love, to share, and be real honest. And on that very first night, it wasn't quite right. Let's wait a while before it's too late. Let's wait a while. Our love will be great. Let's wait a while before we go too far. I really didn't know to let all my fears show, to save them for later, so our love can be greater. You said you would always love me. Remember I said the same thing to you. Don't have to be frightened with my love, because I never gave up on you. Let's wait a while